This video is part of the course that is Build Reports with Jasper Reports, Java and Spring Boot. Link for this course is given in the description. Hello and welcome back. So in this lecture, we will set up our Java application before we start building the Jasper Reports. So here I am having one simple Maven project, okay? And the first thing is we need to add Jasper Reports dependency in our pom.xml file. So this is the dependency that I have added in the pom.xml. If you are using Gradle, then you need to add this dependency in your build.gradle file. Okay, so I'm using Maven, so I have added this dependency in the pom.xml. The next thing is I'm having one simple class over here, okay, with public static void main. Nothing inside it, just try catch. So what we will do is that first, using the JasperSoft Studio, we will design our report. Then from our Java application, we will fill in that report and we will get the end result. That is basically our report, say for example, in the format of PDF. So basically these are the steps, okay? The first thing is designing the report using Jasper Studio. The next thing is filling the data from our Java application, and then we will get the end result, that is our report, say for example in the format of PDF. So this is what we are going to do in the upcoming lectures. If you like the video, then please subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, like the video, do comment in the comment section and share with your friends. Do you want to create reports from your Java and Spring Boot application? If yes, then I am having complete course that is Build Reports with Jasper Reports, Java and Spring Boot. Let me show you the report that you will be able to create after completing this course. So this is basically student report card and this is the report in the format of PDF. So in this course, you will learn how to have image in your report and how to have this kind of label in the report and text field. This value will come from your Java and Spring Boot application. You will learn how to have data in the table format and how to make sum of particular column values using Jasper variable. You will also learn to sort particular column values. You will learn how to have this kind of page footer where you can display current page out of total number of pages. Charts are very useful to summarize your data in the report. So in this course, you will learn how to have this kind of pie chart and 3D bar chart in your report. In this course, you will learn to export this kind of report in different formats like PDF, HTML and Microsoft Excel. You will learn to create this kind of report from your Java and Spring Boot application. So what are you waiting for? Link for the course is given in the description. Just click on that link and start creating reports from your Java and Spring Boot application. We'll see you in the another video. Till then, happy learning and happy coding!